Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use energy circles. Energy circles are powerful tools designed to focus and amplify your intentions. They act as a conduit, directing concentrated energy towards your desired outcomes, whether for healing, manifestation, or personal growth. Understanding their basic principles is the first step to effectively harnessing their potential. We'll cover how to set them up and what to expect. The most crucial step is setting a clear and precise intention. Your intention should be positive, specific, and stated in the present tense, as if it's already happening. Avoid vague statements. Instead, focus on exactly what you wish to manifest. Writing your intention down and placing it within the circle helps to anchor and amplify its energy, making it more potent. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation: on another note, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized, just like an energy circle keeps your intentions focused. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Once your intention is set, it's time to activate your energy circle. You can place a glass of water, a personal item, or even a photo within the circle to absorb and radiate its energy. Spend a few moments visualizing your desired outcome, feeling the emotions of its realization. Trust the process. The circle will continuously work on your behalf, requiring minimal effort from you. As your energy circle works, pay attention to the subtle shifts and positive changes that begin to appear in your life. These are often signs that your intention is manifesting. Periodically, take a moment to reaffirm your intention, keeping it fresh and potent. If you feel the energy of the circle becoming stagnant, a simple cleansing or recharging ritual can revitalize its power.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.